Running a growing business, that's the dream. But if it happens faster than you expect, you may quickly outgrow the software you use to complete your work. If your business uses QuickBooks Pro or Premier and manages a lot of SKUs or customer data, you can easily reach the list limit of 14,500. As you approach the limit, creating reports can slow down and data may seem less manageable. But if accessing data is part of your day-to-day work, condensing your company file is not an option. With QuickBooks Enterprise, there's no need to condense a growing data file. You'll have 6 times the capacity of Pro or Premier. This added space is just one reason 93% of companies who switched from Pro or Premier agreed that QuickBooks Enterprise helps them work more efficiently. Enterprise has room for a combined 1 million customers, vendors, and inventory items, with a powerful industry-standard SQL database. That means you'll have room to breathe and room to grow. Beyond more capacity, you'll also have 100,000 classes and 45 custom fields, so you can track the metrics that matter and create actionable reports for your business. Enterprise also lets you scale up to 40 simultaneous users, rather than just 3 or 5. And with customizable user permissions, you can easily delegate to your team while managing access to sensitive data. Scale your business with confidence. Sell more, hire more, and grow more. With the largest capacity of any QuickBooks product, Enterprise can handle it.